Hello, this is my hardware prototype demonstration for Advanced Embedded Systems Task 3, which is the storage palette 3x4. So first I will show a diagram here to show and the traversal here, and to the right is the steps of net model for this traversal. So I'll first just show how this works with that traversal, just so you can see. So you can see there the first few cycles, how it went to +x 3 times. So now I'll show the hardware and software simulation of these in FreeRTOS Linux. So firstly, the software implementation. So I will just run this command here and we will start the cycle. So here you can see it follows the same pattern of the +x and the +x and the +x at the start. And you can also see the next and ready and how it starts at next. And this will continue until there's one full cycle and it will repeat. So I will stop this here. So here you can see the full cycle of how it fully traverses the storage palette. So now to the left is the hardware implementation. So this is the trace pattern here. So the hardware implementation uses a LCD and a matrix keypad. So now I will demonstrate the hardware and show how it matches. But firstly, I need to explain here. So the actuators and the sensors both correspond to the steps of net places here. So for example, we have 0, which is next, likewise here. And for example, +x, which is 6, and it is also 6 here, and that will correspond. So now I will show the demo of the hardware prototype. So we are starting here at 0. So we will first go to next. So this is at next, sorry. So we'll do 0 hash. And now we are at +x. So now we will do 6 hash. And now we are at ready, so we'll do 1 hash. And now we're back at next. So now we'll just do one more. So we've actually started at the last x here. So the next one will be y, just to show a new one for once. So we have 7 here, which corresponds to +y. So we have 7 hash. And now we have ready, so 1 hash. And now we have return to next. So that shows the storage palette 3x4, the hardware and software implementation, and how that corresponds to the steps of net model and the diagram with the traversal. So I've shown how everything is connected and corresponds. So that concludes my hardware prototype demo for the storage palette for Advanced Embedded Systems Task 3. Thank you.